Hello everyone, I am very happy to share this. My lemon tree started giving the lemons. So you can see this. This is the one lemon. This is one more lemon. These are some more lemons. So many lemons came. I'm very happy. This lemon tree tested my patience. From the last 3 years, no fruits are coming. No fruits are coming. Waited. Right, we done whatever help possible. Now it is started giving the right lemons. So what I mean to say is you should have patience as a student. You should have patience. Some problems will test you again and again, right? Don't lose the confidence. So if any problem test you, keep in the difficult problems area, so that you can also test that one again and again whenever you have time. So always keep gaining knowledge, move forward, think positive. So these will give the ultimate results. If I don't have patience, I could have thrown this tree, then I may not get the fruits. So the students who got the top ranks, all my students who got the top ranks, they have the patience, right? So please keep gaining the knowledge, have patience, move forward. These are the things which will make you right successful, right? And teaching and gardening always been my passion, right? These are the things which will make my life so happy. These are my habits. I'm very happy. So garden, right? Growing the trees, growing the kids, growing my students, growing trees. These are always been my passion. Gardening I got from my papa. My papa used to do gardening and all, right? Thank you so much. I am very happy to share this, right? So my lemon started giving the my lemon tree started giving the lemons. I will sell all those lemons. I will get a lot of money. With that money I will do whatever I want. I don't want to share to you. Thank you so much. Have you a nice day.